Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, February 5th. What do we got on the docket today? Well, first of all, it's Monday, yay. But usually in Mondays or fairly light days, we have 9:45 final services PMI, and the red item of the day is ISM services PMI at 10 o'clock. So that's really the only of interest stuff going on. Yes, we have an FOMC member speaking at 2 o'clock, but I don't expect to see too much from that. Loan officer survey. Again, these are low impact items. All you got today. So what do we got on the bigger picture? Looking at the daily chart, we are gapping down very, very slightly, but certainly in a bullish move here. Where could we go? I think we could go as high as 5,031.50. 5,000 is definitely on the horizon, and I think the market really wants to go up there and test that level. That being said, on the downside, we could I think we could actually come down into this area right in here, which is the 4907 area if we got some serious movement to the downside. We are seeing an increased volume down here, which is maybe saying that, hey, we're getting toppy up here. But there has been a slight increase in volume the last couple of days over the average. So there you go. Looking at the 60-minute here for inventory, price was up, inventory was up, but it is interesting to note that from this close to this close is a pretty decent sized move and a very small increase, only 5,400 contracts. So maybe again we are starting to see big price movement the last 2 days and very relatively little increase in inventory, which means there's no new money coming in there. Okay, very little new money to fuel this price movement. So even though these are correlated, I am starting to see some potential toppiness happening, and we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. Looking at the intraday, overnight action was approximately 17 points. That's below average. 2022 is about average. So volatility may not be quite as high as we expect. Where do we have intraday support and resistance levels? We've got a good level here around 49.80. 49.80 would be resistance. Some more up around that 5,000. There's a whole little area from 96 all the way to the whole number 5,000. Above 5,000, we get to 5,020. For support on the other side, I'm going to say 49.60, 49.35, and 49.20. As we march up, we're getting less and less pullback, so there's less backing and filling, which means that support is not exactly what we'd like it to be, which means that if we do turn over, we could have an ugly day because there's not a lot of support underneath because we've been going up virtually every day. That being said, Stock Trader's Almanac is only 38.1, a negative expectancy today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. There you go. That's your Monday. See you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe and comment and like. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.